Hey y'all, my name is Shanika E. We're in a new week, and like I said, I'm trying to get settled in, but ladies, get into the hair. I know. Let me tell you how I'm obsessed with this hair. This is a Yaki straight unit from Nadula hair, and I am wearing this glueless. I know, look at how flat it lays, glueless. It's so good, and they have really done a great job with this unit. I'm going to tell you guys some of my high points for this wig. The lace is so good. You guys know I'm not a lace girl, but look at this lace. It's good lace, all right? This also has the best, and I'm not exaggerating, the best wig cap that I have put on my head in a long time. So I'm going to be showing you guys some B-roll of when I unpackaged it. So it has the no slip grip in the middle, so this unit is not moving around. It also has the drawstring attachment that is in the back, not going anywhere. They also have these C-straps, so the hair, you can tuck your hair easily behind your ear with no issues because they planned that little C portion. But what I love about it the most, especially being a non-lace girl, is this new addition to the drawstring that they have on there. You should be seeing the GIFT on the screen. These types of bandings have been in previous units, but not quite in this way. So they've attached it to the lace itself. So when you pull back and tighten it, it makes it even more flush to your head, which is why even if I turn to the side here, there's no lace lifting. Love that down. Nadula got it right. Also, the density on this unit is for me. Let me bring it all around, because I know some girls enjoy the 150 density, maybe the 180. Give me a good 200, Alex. A good 200, a good 250, because I am the girl that has naturally thick hair. My natural hair is thick, and so I just love, and I also have a big head, and I just love the look of full hair, and this hair is very dense. I love it. And you guys know I love me a Yaki texture because it's going to look most like my real hair and feel most like my real hair. I absolutely love this unit. I didn't do anything to this unit. I just put it on my head and ran my flat iron through it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really excited to try out I have a Tymo, one of those brush air dryers. I want to try it with that and see if I can get some big bouncy curls, but this is definitely the unit we're going to be wearing all week. It is so good. Anyways, if you're interested, it'll be linked below.